अरे वो मम्मी वो फ्रिकल्स हैं. Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. So today like मैं ना basically एक reel shoot कर रही थी, but I thought of doing a full length video क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम हो गया था. So yes, like we're gonna create this island girl makeup look जो आजकल बहुत trending है Instagram पे. And yes, let's get started without any further ado.
So I started my makeup by applying some primer that I got from Inside Cosmetics to make my skin hydrate. Make sure you apply the primer all over your face and over your neck. Then I went for some concealer that I again got from Inside Cosmetics. I mean, if you are a brown girl, I think you should definitely give Inside Cosmetics a try. And then for eyeshadow, I used this palette which I got from Amazon under rupees 300. I mean, this is the best purchase I have made in such a less price. I mean, look at the pigmentation of the shades. I mean, this palette contains a lot many shades in bright color and in nude shades, so definitely go check it out. I'll be mentioning the link to all the products in the description, so do check it out. And then for blush, again I have this product from Inside Cosmetics. I mean, this was the very first time I was trying the product, and just look how beautifully it turned out. I mean, it is rightly said, how much blush is too much blush. I mean, just look at how beautiful and subtle it looks. And I mean, just so you know, I'm a blush girly, so yes, without blush I don't think my makeup is ever done. And with blush I can go on and on and on all the time. So yes, just to give it more of an island girl makeup look, I applied some of the blush on my eyelids and then using this white kajal, because honestly I wanted to try something new, and then using this mascara from Maybelline. I mean, just look at the volume this mascara gives to my eyelashes. I mean, I definitely love it. And here goes my phone. And by this moment, I definitely fell in love with my eyes. But to make it more beautiful, I applied some of the black kajal on the upper area of my eye and also to the corners to give it more of the eyeliner look. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, जितना स्ट्रगल हम खाना खाते टाइम मूवी देखने के लिए करते हैं, उतना ही स्ट्रगल मैं यहाँ पे गाना ढूंढने के लिए कर रही थी. एंड यहाँ फिर से मैं अपने आप को निहारते हुए, बिकॉज आई वॉज सो इन लव विद द लुक. फिर उसके बाद आई यूज दिस हाईलाइटर कॉन्टोर स्टिक दैट आई गॉट अगेन फ्रॉम इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स. आई मीन, सी ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम अ ब्राउन गर्ल एंड मेरे को जितना मेकअप फ्रेंडली लुक चाहिए होता है वो मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स से मिलता है. I mean, obvious सी बात है, मेकअप के साथ साथ I wanted to be budget friendly, and that is the reason I always go for Inside Cosmetics. Then coming back to the makeup, I wanted to keep it very glowy, so I used a lot of highlighter. And then here comes my favorite yet the most scary part, because ये मैंने पहले कभी try नहीं किया था. I used my brown lip liner to make fake freckles, and trust me, it turned out so good. I mean, I was really not expecting that. And since you all know I love dark lipsticks, but for this look I wanted to keep it very soft, so I used this lip oil which I recently got, and the moment I opened my hair, and मेरा रिएक्शन तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया. एंड देन आई यूज सम हेयर क्लिप्स, बिकॉज उस टाइम पर मेरे पास एक फ्लावर अवेलेबल नहीं था. इफ़ आई हैड अ फ्लावर देन आई वुड हैव गॉन फॉर. एंड दिस वॉज द मोमेंट आई रियलाइज दैट मुझे नई नई चीज़ें बिल्कुल ट्राई करनी चाहिए.
Got this. I just got this, and how can I forget to use it? So yes, I'm gonna use it for the very first time. Got it from Mars. Bro, I love this. I mean, I don't know. मम्मी से पूछती हूँ. Let's go. Sorry, अंधेरा है. मम्मी, मेरा मेकअप कैसा लग रहा है? अरे वो मम्मी वो फ्रिकल्स हैं.
फ्रिकल्स दिखाना था.
हाँ, वो ये आइलैंड गर्ल मेकअप है. ओके, लेसन लर्नड. कभी भी अजीब सा मेकअप करके, अलग टाइप का, आई मीन न्यू टाइप का मेकअप करके मम्मी को मत दिखाना, बिकॉज देन यू हर्ड हर, राइट? सो यस, दैट इज इट. Thank you so much for watching the video till end. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Again, is like makeup look ki reel I'll be posting on my Instagram, so do check it out on my Instagram channel. And yes, I'll be coming back with more videos. So peace out.